Alright, now that we've listened to me paint for a little bit and got some ASMR in there, let's go ahead and talk about what we're actually going to do with this project. Now we're going to do this next class, so make sure you do get a chance to review what I'm going to say and what I'm going to do. So some of us have used the glue to create a batiking effect on our fabric. Some of us have just used Sharpie. If you just use Sharpie, you're going to do the exact same thing as those of us that use glue. We're going to take acrylic paint. Acrylic paint is a water-based paint, so it can be thinned out, which is why I have water out. Mixing the two and adding the water to the fabric will kind of dilute it and make it a little bit more spreadable. It also gives it more of a dyed effect. Traditionally with batik, you would use dye, but for time and for convenience reasons, we're going to experiment with using the acrylic. Acrylic does stain, so that's why we're staining the fabric with it. But also remember, be careful with your clothing as well. You are basically going to take one of the colors that are out during class next time, and you are going to use one of the big paintbrushes, and you're going to paint over your entire piece of fabric. Now, those of you using a black Sharpie to do your design, you might want to use one of the lighter colors. I'm using blue here. The blue may not show up as well with the black Sharpie, but you're just going to cover the whole entire thing, use the water to thin it out, creates a nice variation and texture. Then later on, we will go out and we will rinse them out and it'll be done.